Hi, and thanks for taking the time to view our short video on how to access monument records using your Apple iPhone. Before we start, you need to make sure of a couple things. First, you have to be able to use the browser on your cell phone to access the internet. Make sure you have a good data plan before you start, as some of the files you're going to download can be quite large. Second, you have to have a PDF viewer loaded on your cell phone in order to display the monument records after they are downloaded. And last, you'll need to have your HubTack account already established using a PC. If you don't have an account yet, you should do that first by going to www.hubtack.com and signing up. Alright, let's assume we've done all that and we're ready to go. Open the browser on your cell phone and navigate to www.hubtack.com/mobile. If all goes well, you should be looking at the login screen. Simply enter your user ID and password and touch login. Once you have logged in, you should be looking at the Welcome Back page. By touching the List States or Counties link, one of two things is going to happen. If you subscribe to more than one state, you will get a list of states to choose from. If you have only subscribed to one state, you'll get a list of counties in that state. So let's go ahead and touch the List States or Counties link. You can see here that I've subscribed to 6 states, and they are all listed here. Well, my survey job is in Oklahoma, so I simply touch Oklahoma to obtain a list of counties in that state. All of the counties are listed in alphabetical order. To see additional counties, just flick up the screen with your finger like any other application, and the counties will scroll by. To search for monument records, select a county. For this example, we'll go to Atoka. Now we have to select our township and range to search. But because of the smaller screen size, we can't show the whole township at once, so we are also going to select a section. We can show 4 sections at a time, so the section you select here will be in the upper left-hand corner of the display, but I'll show you that on the next screen. First, we have to select a township. Just touch the township box and a drop-down will appear. I'll select Township 2 North. Next, I have to select a range. Again, just touch the range box and the drop-down will appear, and I'll select 13 East. Now the section number. Touch the section box, and the section numbers appear 1 to 36. I'm looking for section 7, so I'll select it here. Now I'm all set to search, so I just touch Next. Before we download any documents, let's take a look at this screen. First, we see the 4 sections. We searched for section 7, which is at the upper left corner, but we can also see sections 8, 17, and 18. Across the bottom, we have 4 navigation buttons. There are arrows for west, north, south, and east. Notice that the west arrow is not visible. That's because we are at the most western section of the township and there's nowhere to go. But by touching the east button, I can move within the township 1 section to the east. I can now see sections 8, 9, 16, and 17. There are 3 more hotspots on this screen. Touch the HubTack logo and it will take you to a list of states if you've subscribed to more than one. Touching the county name will allow you to select a new township and section, and touching the state will take you back to the county list. Now we're ready to download our first document. I'm going to select the center of section 9 by touching the document. This will show you the size of the file and if there are any charges for it. Currently, HubTack does not have a document fee, so document downloads are free. However, if you are not on an unlimited data plan, you might want to take note of the file size. Some of the documents can get quite large, and you can run up a pretty big cell phone bill if you're not careful. We've decided we want the document, so we touch I agree. We now see the section map again, but now the document at the center of section 9 is red. We can now download it by touching it. When we do, the document will be displayed. By using the zoom features on the phone, you can zoom in on any part of the document and read it. To get back to the HubTack screen, just hit the back button on or near the bottom of your cell phone. And that's really all there is to it. If you want to keep your documents when you get back to your office, you can upload them by plugging your cell phone into your computer, or just log on from your desktop. The documents you downloaded from your cell phone will be in red. If you have any questions, you can contact us at info@hubtack.com or call 630-566-9197.